joined now by Gabe Martindale from AgPro Drone Service, who also uses PIX4Dfields as part of their operations. Thank you for taking the time to chat with us today. Can you tell us a little bit about your operations and how you're implementing PIX4Dfields?
Yeah, so I work for my family business, AgPro Farm Service, out of Corona, Michigan. We sell seed, fertilizer, chemicals, and then we recently, this will be our third year doing spraying with the drones, and we recently switched to XAG drones, so we're using a Mavic 3N for all of our mapping, and then we implement the PIX4D into that to upload our maps into the X.
So for somebody who may be considering implementing drone mapping into their spray drone operations, what would be your best advice to them?
So from my experience, when we used to use a different brand of drone, we were going based off of a satellite image, and we noticed that using PIX4D, you have that live image that you create on PIX4D, and you can get up to your boundaries, so you're a lot more accurate. You know, trees hanging out, you can see those, and wires, and it just seemed to be a lot more efficient for us, as you know, not hitting anything, and you know, so
It's very important.
works very well. Yes. Yep.
Well, thank you for joining us again, and I appreciate your intel on you know, the way you're using PIX4Dfields. It always really helps understanding boots on the ground and really how we're making an impact out there.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Thank you.
Thanks.